Hi everyone, my name is David. I'm a KOK Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. I'm giving you an update on what I think will happen in the market and how KOK coin tokens will perform in the market when it comes to price value. A lot of things that I said, as far as I'm concerned, they did come true. Okay, they did come true. So first, I want you guys to look at a video that I made here, and if you see, it says from 2 weeks ago. Okay, and from this video, I mentioned a video that I made a month before that. Okay, so that means that was like 6 weeks ago. But check all this out. Performance 2021 in 2021, right? 4 weeks ago, I said this was going to happen. Check it out. At around 25 cents. I mean 25 cents. You had a big boost, and then when it leveled off at 50 cents. Right? And then when it, boom, it had a boost. Now it's at $1. It leveled off around $1. Right? Okay, and think about this. Back even when it went down 95 cents, this is when Bitcoin had a dump. This is when all the other altcoins dropped. Like 60, 70, 80, maybe some even 90% maybe. Bitcoin dropped 50%. But KOK was stable at $1 at this point. Alright? It's what? Not even 5%. And it's up. It's up from its previous to, it's hitting all-time new highs. And I'll tell you what I think. I think really what you've seen is every time KOK moves, it doubles. So you had this move here, and another move, big pump, stables, double from 25 cents to 50 cents. Yeah, a big move, to like $1.16 or something. It's stable back up around $1, right? And then it's having another move up. So what I think is, I wouldn't be shocked. Maybe in a month or a couple months from now, KOK is going to be stable at $2. $2, probably going to double because that's what we've seen in the charts. Now, boom, what did I say? I said a month ago. Here, remember I made this video 2 weeks ago. And I brought up a video that I made a month ago saying within a month or two that Bitcoin is going to double in price from $1, right? Okay, and so 6 weeks later, actually, now it's been 2 months. It's been 2 months. 2 months later, it has doubled. Okay, 4 weeks ago, I said a month ago that a month from that point to 2 months, which is right now, and we still got another 4 more weeks, that KOK is going to level off around $2, right? And it could do better. But I said that's what's going to happen, and that's what's happening now. That's what's happening now. So let's look at the chart. Look at KOK. And so I want you guys to look at this. I said something about around 6 weeks ago, but maybe it's been a little more than 6 weeks. That I say it's going to double in price at 2. I said 2 weeks ago that, within a month, you're going to see that KOK is going to hit $2 or do better. Right here, okay? I personally use CoinGecko. I think it's better than the crypto market cap site. So if you look at that. Today it hit $2. And right now it's leveling off at 82 cents. But within a month, I expect it to be leveling off at 2. And then I don't know how long. It might stay there for a short period of time and jump up even more. But if you look at KuCoin, it's at... There you go, right? I said it might, it might not even stay there that long, okay? And so if you look at KuCoin right now, that's pretty much what happened, all right? In fact, it never even got a chance to level off at $2 because it was around 96, 95, 94 to 96, 7 cents. And then it just, boom, it just went surpassed $2. And now we are in the, between $2.12 to $2.14, right? So we're in that range. Okay, so as predicted, yeah, it's gonna go around $2, which is true. Technically, you know, 94 to 97 cents is around $2. I say it might not even stay that long, and it might just, it's gonna do better, probably, is a good chance, and that's exactly what happened. So what do I really expect? Well, a lot of it has to do with Bitcoin, and if you look at past situations with Bitcoin right now, once again, this is what Crypto University. Okay, I love this channel. I do recommend everyone subscribe. You know, right now we in this what is called a Gothium channel, and right now we hit two. We printed one bar. We haven't fully printed the next bar, but we're in this channel. And normally when we're in this channel, we're in here, you know, for like a year. Okay, so it's not good, and we're printed a bar underneath this green line that's in the middle, and that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. It seems like that we're retesting it and trying to get past that green line right now. All right, and that's around like 34,000, you know, maybe 800, 700, something like that. Okay, and the reason why that's so deadly is because if you look at the Gothium channel, in the past when we printed a bar underneath, we try to go up and test it and get rejected. Later we do go past and, you know, get a little bit above, and it sinks us down, right? Here again, we went underneath, got rejected. We went underneath and it sunk us to the bottom part, okay? And try to retest the top. So this Gothium channel, if you look at the second time, it printed underneath, it tried to test the top, and it got rejected. And if you look at the Bitcoin price right now, that's what it is doing. So that part is scary. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is Cohen's channel. Once again, I recommend this channel, and you can see that we broke out in the RSI. We had a pump. Okay. Another thing is, if you look at Bitcoin's past history, we have 2 red months, and then it goes up, and this is kind of what we were looking at. However, we printed 3 red months, so it broke this formation. So we don't even know what will or won't happen if we look at past history. All right, this is Aim Ala Baby or something, but anyway, once again, I recommend his channel too. I watch it all the time. It's really great. Right now, you know, we need a break. Let me show you what I mean. We got to make prints. Okay, we got to print these candles. And on the 4-hour chart is looking good. Let's see, what did we print here? That's not bad. 4,266. But we need to print a candle above the 34,000. And if you look right here, what we did is, this was a previous all-time high right here, and look at that. So we printed at a previous all-time high, but we didn't print past, right? And that's an issue. That's an issue, because we need to print a candle above, right here, above $34,291. And then after that, we want to print another candle right there. Okay, you want to print another candle above $35,294, and then we want to print above this one, because what we're looking for is, we're trying to beat the previous highs. The one thing that we have right now, like if you look at this, you just see, you know, lower highs and lower lows. Okay, but here we're trying to break up a previous high. Here, one thing we do have going for us, the lowest here was at $28,808. Well, the lowest point that we printed here is 29,000. So we have a new higher low. All right. So we need to print candles above these previous high, where it's 35,200, 70 or 60 something dollars, and another one at 35,888. That's what we need to do. We need to print. We got to make new highs. All right. But we got to see if that happens. I did say around mid-August to September, we're hoping we're going to reach, over 40 something thousand dollars. For that to happen, we need to print candles, in those certain spots where, even in this chart, over 35,000, over 36,500. We need to print these candles above these certain numbers where we see the momentums in our favor. Okay, and that's our best chance where we could start heading up. All right, so we'll see how it goes. The market sentiment is really negative. It was really negative, and one thing I learned about this whole market is you got to be a contrarian. You got to be a contrarian. So what I do think is, even if Bitcoin does get rejected and I'm wrong, because the Gothian, if you look at past history with once again, I don't go by my feelings, I just go by past chart history. But when you get sucked into the Gothian channel and you make candles underneath this half point line right here, it's really hard to break out of it. It's really hard to break out of it. So it's not looking good in our favor. Okay, but however, I've shown you others where you have to death cross after so many months. It does retest. It does retest the 200-day moving average, and then typically it will get rejected. And so I'm hoping that we will get a chance to retest the 200-day moving average, which right now this is about 44,800, around that price. And so maybe we could get up to 44,800 before we get rejected. But we got to see, and if Bitcoin does hit that type of price, the way I see KOK going is going to reach that $253 mark. If Bitcoin can go back up to 40K, I think $253, maybe a little above, above that is all in the cards. If Bitcoin gets rejected and it starts heading down and, back down to 30,000, hopefully it doesn't go down under 28,000 right here. We don't make new lows. KOK will still do fine. KOK will still do fine, because you saw that when Bitcoin really went down, KOK was fine. So if you look at the 7-day and you look at Bitcoin, when Bitcoin had this huge drop, look at Bitcoin on 7-day. Right here. Okay, this is, Wednesday the 21st. All right. It went down to what, 20? Okay, on the 20th it went down $29,612. And what happened around that time? Nothing. Maybe you had this little sell-off, 2-cent sell-off, and boom, it still continues to go up. So you can see that even though Bitcoin drops, it doesn't have a big impact on KOK, because it's just such a good, fundamental, solid project. Okay, the platform is amazing. It's solid. I mean, look, you got Gucci paying the KOK Play platform money to advertise, right? You got to think, why would these companies pay the platform money to advertise? Okay, because they know it's legit. Pepsi, Nike. So that's the forecast right now. I still think that it is possible that we can, things will look pretty good halfway through August to September, but it all depends on how the candles print. Okay, if we can't get these candles to go above, where is it, 35,200 and above 35,900, and then continue to break these previous tops. If we can't do it, we're getting rejected, then yeah, it might even go under 28,000. But we'll just have to see. It's all about how it's printing right now, you know. But Bitcoin is looking like it might pull through the way I predicted, but I could be wrong. Okay, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I think, what I see in the charts. But for KOK is looking solid. That's all I gotta say. KOK is looking solid. KOK looks like it could hit 250 over, even maybe 250 to $3, maybe even more, if Bitcoin continues to rise. If it doesn't, KOK was still, you know, stable. Is a stable coin that continues to grow. It's looking good. All right, you might have, you know, as KOK continues to go up in price, you might have, you know, higher percentages and fluctuation, but is looking good. KOK is looking good. All right, everyone, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit the bell, everything else. All right, leave a comment, and please, if you haven't signed up, if you want, download KOK Coin, and then you can use my invite code QAABIRWL, as you know, to join the family. Once again, I'm not your financial advice. I'm just telling you what I think, because I'm just looking at previous charts. We got to see how it goes. It could go up or down, but you know, we got to just look at the scenarios. All right, I did say that in the previous video that Bitcoin could go down to $20,000, and I do expect it to happen further down. Okay, but right now I do expect more up before the down. All right, everyone, stay blessed, God bless, and KOK on.